guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful side table. Let's get started. Firstly, I want to show you the materials I used for this project. I got two safety cones from Dollar Tree. They are actually pretty solid in terms of quality. Size-wise, they are 12 inches or 1 foot tall and 7 inches wide on the base. Connecting two pieces together actually is a perfect size to make a side table. Since the connecting parts are relatively narrow, so I decided to use a screw to connect two pieces together. I also used X6000 just to want to make sure two pieces are firmly connected to each other. This is how the inside looks, with one side with lock washer and the other side with a screw head. Then I took it in garage and spray painted into gold color. Then I used the small ultimate boards to cover the holes on the base. You can also consider using nails or screws to secure the cone onto a heavier base if you worry about the weight of the table. I decided to use the decoration stones from Dollar Tree to add extra weight to the base of the table, so I'm totally fine with that. I also put a LED candle on the top to give the base a little bit more feature. Now let's check out the final product. This table is simply beautiful to me. You can always tailor this table into your preference. I just like to keep things simple. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on this table, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.